time to embark on a new chapter of our journey as we dive into the fascinating world of shipwrecks, each with its own storied history. These submerged relics offer a glimpse into the past, a testament to the human stories and maritime mysteries that have unfolded in the Red Sea's depths. As we explore these underwater time capsules, we'll uncover the secrets and tales that the sunken ships hold, shedding light on the rich history of this remarkable maritime region. Among the submerged treasures of the Red Sea, we'll have the opportunity to explore the remarkable Dunraven shipwreck. In March 1876, while on its voyage back from India, the Dunraven met its fate when it struck the Beacon Rock Reef. Remarkably, it remained hidden beneath the ocean's depths until 1979 when it was discovered. Today, this historical relic lies upside down on the seabed, with the stern resting at a depth of 30 meters. Another intriguing shipwreck that we'll uncover in the depths of the Red Sea is the Kingston, which met its fateful end in the year 1881 in the treacherous Straits of Suez. The Kingston ran aground on Shag Rock, and after 125 years beneath the waves, it now lies hidden beneath a stunning blanket of hard coral. The Kingston shipwreck, nestled in shallow waters amidst thriving coral, stands as a stark testament to the perilous navigation through these reefs. Undoubtedly, the most renowned shipwreck in the Red Sea is the Thistlegorm, a British armed freighter from World War II. This storied vessel carried a diverse cargo, including ammunition, weapons, vehicles, BSA, motorcycles, vehicle spares, aircraft parts, radios, and much more. Tragically, it met its end in 1941 at the hands of German forces, resulting in the loss of 4 crew members and 5 gunners. The Thistlegorm's sunken remains now provide a window into the wartime history of this iconic ship and the profound sacrifices made during a turbulent era. Additionally, the Thistlegorm carried 2 locomotives among its diverse cargo during its ill-fated voyage. These locomotives, once destined for wartime service, now rest on the ocean floor. As we venture into the interior of the Thistlegorm shipwreck, we navigate through its intricate passageways and galleries. These submerged corridors tell stories of wartime cargo, echoing with the remnants of vehicles, motorcycles, and a diverse array of supplies that were once destined for the front lines. The Thistlegorm's interior, preserved by the depths, offers an immersive journey into the past, where we can explore the vivid history hidden within its sunken chambers. Thistlegorm's sunken remains offer a poignant glimpse into a bygone era where the echoes of World War II history still resonate beneath the Red Sea's surface. From the vibrant coral landscapes to the mesmerizing marine creatures that call this place home, and the silent relics of sunken history, the Red Sea's depths hold a world of wonder waiting to be explored.